Hi, welcome back to my channel. Savannah here, Wild Child Travels, and today we're going to be talking about some great dry alternatives for your carry-on case. For a weekend getaway or just a week-long trip, dry shampoo is awesome. It's no mess, low maintenance, and you don't have to worry about getting in the shower to wash your hair or waiting for it to dry or anything like that. And you don't have to worry about carrying a liquid with you. So this is a great way to bring a dry alternative to the liquid shampoo. For longer trips, I would suggest shampoo or conditioner bars like they sell at Lush or other places. You can find them on Amazon, you can find them at the mall. But these are great ways to not have to worry about liquids again because they're bar form, like a bar soap, and you just rub it in your hands, lather it up, and you put it on your hair, and then you're cleaning your hair and you're conditioning your hair, and you don't have to worry about a bottle spilling in your luggage, in your carry-on case or anything, and you have space for more liquids in your quart-sized bag. This one is my favorite, face soaps. Instead of worrying about a liquid soap to carry in your bag, try to think about face sticks. A face stick is great. I use it even when I'm not traveling. It's not liquid, it's solid, and you put water on it after you rub the product on your face and it lathers up. And a lot of companies are coming out with new face sticks, so they come in various sizes, and a lot of companies are making their own, so you have a wide selection to pick from. You can find them in the mall, you can find them in Target, and you can find them at your local drugstore, so they're easy to pick up and just throw in your bag and go. Solid lotions are also another great alternative because there's no mess, again, there's no spilling in your suitcase, and you can find them in a lot of places. You can go to the drugstore, you can go to Lush, you can go to Amazon.com and just pack them in your bag and you can be on your way. As well as solid lotion, there's also solid sunscreen. Again, you don't want these liquids spilling in your bag, and a great way to prevent that is to get the solid form. Although I love hand sanitizer, there's sometimes like on a plane where I just want to get a really good clean. So soap leaves are a great alternative to hand sanitizer, and I think you get like a little bit of a deeper clean. Like I actually feel like my hands are getting clean. Soap leaves are thin shavings of soap that they come in a container, and you can just pull them out like you used to do with the Listerine strips, and you put them on your hands underwater and it lathers up and you get soap. And it's not messy, it doesn't spill in your bag, and they're just a great way to get a deeper clean than hand sanitizer and make sure that nothing is leaking in your bag. As well as soap leaves, there's also detergent leaves, which sounds a bit, makes me a bit suspicious because I'm like, are they gonna get enough of a dosage of detergent to clean my clothes? Soap leaves are also great for those restrooms that have run out of soap, liquid soap in the pump. You go in there and you find out there's no soap in there, and it's also great for camping. I'll be sure to leave the link to where you can find some soap leaves in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. Another dry alternative to hand sanitizers are sanitizer wipes. When you don't want to carry around the bottle of hand sanitizer, because sometimes they do unscrew and sometimes they do leak. I have had that happen in my purse before, and it is not fun at all. Hand sanitizer wipes come in a package, and you can pull them out, wipe your hands, wipe down the chair that you're sitting in, wipe down the table in front of you on the airplane or anywhere you are. You can sanitize your environment, you can sanitize your hands, and you can sanitize whatever it is you will be touching. It's a great way to keep your area clean as well as yourself and not have anything spill in your bag. Now when it comes to shaving, a great alternative to carrying shaving cream is to get a razor with the shaving cream product already around the razor. These are great to just throw in your suitcase like your checked luggage. I'm not sure if you can even put them on your carry-on luggage, but it's great to put in your checked luggage, and it's no mess. You don't have to worry about anything spilling. That's like the main theme of this list, is not to worry about things spilling and to make space in your liquids bag for things that are more important, like makeup or something like that. But the shaving razor with the shaving cream is great because you can just use it. You don't have to carry two items like a razor and the shaving cream. You just have it all together. You can use it, and when you're done, you can just throw it away and not worry about it. Those are all the dry alternatives I have for you today, and I hope that these suggestions were helpful, and I hope that you're able to use them when you're packing your next carry-on. If you have any of your own dry alternatives, I would love to hear them. Put them in the comment box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video and any other video on the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.